Have you ever wanted to delete your Facebook account but didn't know how? It's a common question in this digital age where privacy and personal space are highly valued. Here's a simple, easy-to-follow guide on how to do just that. Before we begin, remember that deleting your Facebook account is a permanent action. There's no turning back. You won't be able to recover your account or the data associated with it once it's deleted, so ensure to have a backup of any crucial information you want to keep. Start by logging into your Facebook account. Once you're in, click the account menu located in the top right corner of Facebook. From the drop-down, select Settings and AMP Privacy, then proceed to Settings. In the left-hand menu, look for Your Facebook Information. Clicking this will lead you to the Deactivation and Deletion option. Choose Delete Account and then click Continue to Account Deletion. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Do so and click Continue. The on-screen instructions will guide you to confirm the deletion of your account. But here's a twist. Facebook offers a 30-day grace period. During this time, you can choose to cancel the deletion if you have a change of heart. After this period, however, your account will be gone for good. You'll receive a confirmation message that your account has been scheduled for deletion. During the grace period, resist the urge to log into your Facebook account. If you give in and log in, the deletion process will be cancelled, and you'll have to start all over again. After the 30-day period, your Facebook account and all the data associated with it will be permanently deleted, leaving no trace behind. Bear in mind that Facebook's interface and policies may change over time. If you encounter any issues, it's a good idea to double-check the latest instructions on their website. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to delete your Facebook account. Remember, the digital world can be a complex place, but with the right information, you can navigate it with ease.